To measure the thermostability of PVC, it is important to determine the cell constant of each position on the instrument. For the cell constant determination, you need the measuring vessel cover, and the 100 microsiemens per centimeter standard. Label each measuring vessel cover with its position from A1 to B4. Then fill in 60 ml of the 100 microsiemens per centimeter standard into one measuring vessel. Measure the temperature of the standard with a temperature sensor. Go to Workplace and choose Tools, determine cell constant, select the measuring position and conductivity sensor, fill in the measured temperature and the conductivity of the standard solution at the measured temperature, then press Next. When prompted, place the measuring vessel on the corresponding position. Confirm with Next. Repeat the procedure for all measuring cells. Now you are ready to determine the thermostability of polyvinyl chloride. Thanks for watching.